Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. 2 days na lang, tapos na yung Vlogmas. So, our plans for today is to go swimming and parasailing. Pero yung parasailing at 3 PM pa. Kasi pinili namin yung time na pa-sundown na. And then, I'm thinking of buying some gifts here in Bora. Kasi, pagbalik namin, Christmas Eve na and wala pa akong gift kay Anne. For my two brothers, nabilan ko sila sa States. Sa mom ko, nabilan ko rin siya. Yung dad ko, sabi ko after Christmas na. Kasi I don't think mayroon akong mabibiling gift here sa Bora na good for him. So, si Anne, feeling ko dito ko siya bibilan ng gift. So, iniisip ko pa kung anong bibiling ko sa kanya. Pero hindi ko pa maisip. Pero, in a while, magpapalit na ako to my swimsuit. And preparing lang. Here are the things that I'm bringing with me sa beach. Naalala nyo ba to guys? Ito yung nabili ko sa Bali. And nice siya kasi may actual zipper siya. Ayan, so, I'm bringing my wallet, power bank, and charger since whole day dahil sa labas. Magic Flakes na cheese flavor. Favorite ko yan. Just in case magutom ako kasi diba minamigraine ako pag hindi ako kumakain. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko kahapon na bamboo shades. And then, bamboo straws because they don't have any plastics here. We got this for 10 pesos. Reusable siya. Dip and cheek tin for some color. And then, TikTok, face sunblock, and then tanning water. So, anyway, tara. Nabibis lang ako, and then, alis na tayo. Hey guys! So, we're out already. It's a bit drizzling, but that won't stop us from going out. And, yeah. Punta tayo sa D-Mall. Tignan natin yung situation ng beach, kung swimmable ba siya. Gusto ko mag-swim eh.
So yeah, so mag-swim tayo.
Ayaw mo mag-swim?
Gusto.
Swim tayo.
Bangunin na.
Bango na na. Umaambon, so mas konti yung tao. Ang saya. Look. See? Let's transfer to the GoPro. Kasi nilinis sila, yung tinanggal yung mga algae. Ganda ng kulay, no? Gloomy, pero makikita mo yung turquoise pa rin yung water. I'm sorry. Kung medyo mabasa-basa. Lamig. Sobrang lamig.
Ako nga.
Pero kasi dati, alam ko may mga stores pa sa shore eh. Even the restaurants may table sila sa shore, which is nice at tinanggal na. And then, malinis na yung dito. Sa shore, kasi tinanggal nila yung mga algae. We're done swimming. Is it me or nakakagutom para nagsiswim? Naalala mo ng bata ka, pag nag-swimming ka, may hotdog. Tapos yung hotdog ang wiggly na kasi nababasa. Tapos kakainin mo pa din. Weh! Meron akong cousin dati, nahulog na yung wiggly na yung hotdog niya pero kinakain niya pa rin. So anyway, hindi na kami sa restaurant pero matagal yung serving. So, I wanna have something first. Tada! Oh, yes, I have high bugs pero parang nagkalat yung mascara ko from kanina. So babe, ano ang gift natin kay Anne?
Ano bang gusto niya, Anne?
Pera. Gusto niya pera. Gusto ni Anne, si Anne yung parang si Rayjan. Yung gusto niya may pera, pero gusto niya rin may ino-open. Sipin natin. Diba?
Sa tingin ko gusto niya, Anne, mga ano?
Funko Pop.
Mga damit. Ayan niya yan. Or mga cute na shirt.
Hindi rin.
Ano, may naisip ka na?
Last year, yung mga trip niyan, mga Funko Pop. Pero parang over na siya doon. And TBH, wala na siyang space. Diba?
Uy! Ano yun?
Kahapon, dun sa Island Girl, tinatanong ni Ann kung magkano yung watermelon bag. Pero namahalan siya. Ayun na lang kaya.
Ano yun? Ito kami.
Yung parang watermelon na bilog. Sobrang hilig niya yan sa watermelon. Sobrang weird niya. Guys, profile picture niya with the watermelon. Naalala mo yung ano? Yung Christmas wishlist niya. Buong watermelon. Tapos binigyan siya ng kaibigan niya ng buong watermelon talaga. Sinundo natin siya from school. So yun. Let's see kung nandun ba yung watermelon na yun. Ito siya guys, si Island Girl. Ito yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi ito. Ito. Ayan, yung watermelon. So, ito yung bibili natin gift sa kanya. Cute naman, di ba? So, ito na lang yung bili natin sa kanya. Actually, pwede ko nga siyang gawan ng ibang strap eh. Yun o, ganyan lang siya.
Hello? Jack?
Guys, nabili na natin siya. Iniisip ko lang paano natin ipapack at iuwi nang di makikita ni Anne. Sobrang perfect ng timing namin kasi magti-3 na. So, we're gonna go back to the hotel na kasi dun kami susunduin for the parasailing. Right, Lavi?
Yeah.
Hintay lang namin si Anne and si Pauline.
Sunod
Pumunta
na
na
naman
kami
ako.
sa parasailing. Yung hotel namin, yung Nirvana Beach Resort, meron silang parang list of aqua sports. And then, ayan, susunduin nila kayo. And, di ba mas mura yung sa hotel kasi dun sa mga kuyang nag-aalok? Kasi ito 1.5 lang eh. Dun sa mga nag-aalok. 2.5 daw. Dito tayo guys sa my Station 1. Dito ata nagbo-board yung mga island hopping, yung mga nag-helmet diving, mga aqua sports.
Station to?
One Love.
Ayun ba yung mama mo?
Dude, ayan nga, oh. Sabi ko sa'yo, eh. Oo, sa Station 1 yung may parang grotto-ish. Yan, yung area na yan. Baby, umalis ka dyan. Ayan, yan. Malapit kami dito, eh. So, doon na
Doon tayo?
tayo. Dito kami. Ayan, mismo, yan. Sa taas mismo nung yellow cab na yan. Pero dati, wala to. As in, ito kami, ito. I will insert a picture from our last trip. Diyan yun. Tapos may yellow cup siya sa baba, may Jamba juice. Hindi ko alam kung may Jamba pa eh. Ay, shit ka.
Oh, bakit naman, mom?
Ang ingay, Beshi! Party speedboat ata to.
Baby!
Kasi mahangin eh. Parang magsuswing. Kandaan! Ayoko na!
Baba ka na?
Hey guys, we're out for dinner. I'm looking at myself. Kumalat talaga yung aking mascara. We are at Red Coconut Restaurant. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Yep. Yeah. Medyo madaming serving ah. Medyo. For the last time. Oo nga eh, parang extra. Ay, nakalimutan ko magpa-extra. Extra cereals and extra. Beshi. Nag-add kami 20 pesos. Di naman namin in-expect na ganyan. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Vlogmas Day 24. I think kadugtog niya si 23. And may she sick. Patay mo yun, mga copyright tayo. Sobrang taas ng lagnat niya. Like, sobra. And paalas na kami in 30 minutes kasi balik na kami. It's 12 o'clock. 12 ba? Parang 12:50 yung flight namin going back to Manila. Wawa naman ang baby. Wawa. We're here at the airport already. Just having some coffee and dark chocolate macadamia. Siguro magka-cup noodles ako mamaya kasi nagugutom na ako. Hey guys, we're boarded already and I'm currently watching Bird Box. Ang dami ko kasi nakita on Facebook and Twitter that it's good. Dito na kami sa Siang kasi magla-lunch kami. And Ang gagawin namin, bibili kami ng gift for our dad. Kami mag-friends, wala kaming gift sa isa't isa. So, ano nga sa what I got for my Christmas?
Because that I don't give you kids.
Sad ako? Hindi.
Pero may pakita ba kung bibigyan kita or hindi?
Okay lang, kebs lang. Hihiya ako mag-vlog kila Tito Arnold. You know, my family is private. I'm the only one na hindi. So, we might just do something na sit down on the 25th. Para makompleto natin siya. My God, wow. Last year, hindi natin nakompleto dahil inoperahan ng aking tenga. Magpa-piercing na lang kaya ako sa 25. Tradition. Whenever we go to Siang, tanong pa ba yan? Of course. Healthy shabu-shabu. Seafood set A with Angus beef. Ito. This one. Yum, yum. Hey guys, this is Trey and it's Christmas Day. I am sorry, I have some explaining to do. I'm sorry I wasn't able to vlog. Ay, ang ingay niya. Sorry I wasn't able to vlog pagkatapos namin sa Siang because, well, when we got home, nag-dinner na kami and I totally forgot about vlogging. I'm sorry. And then my brother went home. It is very rare that we are complete. So I was in the moment and I hope you guys understand that. And then today, Christmas Day, wala naman kaming ginawa. Nag-lunch lang kami with family and we went to church. And I don't know if I mentioned that, but my family is very private except for me. So, hindi ako comfortable to vlog around them. Well, comfortable ako to vlog with my family. Pero like with my titos, my grandma, ayun. Plus, it's also our first Christmas without tatang, so it felt really weird. And then, kanina nung naglalabas si Inang ng pangbigay ng, what do you call that? Pangbigay sa mga kids. Yung wallet na nilabas niya was like tatang's wallet, so yeah, it was different. But yeah, this isn't the last video for Vlogmas because 25, diba, supposedly. I will be uploading what I got for Christmas, things that I got for myself, and things that I got from my family. And yeah, that's going to be Vlogmas 25, and it's gonna be out siguro in a week. Sorry, kasi I'll be out of town with my friends, and then literally after 2 days with my friends, I'm gonna fly to Cebu with my family, and I'm not gonna be vlogging because I've been vlogging every single day for the past 25 days, and I want to give this to myself, and I will be able to film the what I got for Christmas 2018 when I get back in Manila, which is on January 30. I promise to upload that video on the same day, January 30, or on January 31. So, yun lang. Thank you guys so much for understanding. I know this Vlogmas isn't perfect, but I tried. You know that I planned my travels so that our Vlogmas won't be boring. That's why we went to Thailand, we went to El Nido, we went to Boracay. And during those days, it wasn't very perfect. We went to El Nido, nasira ang camera natin. And nung nasa Bora tayo, nasira naman yung laptop. So, a lot of things happened. A lot of scamming happened. But I'm really, really grateful na I was able to tawid this Vlogmas. As in, naitawid ko talaga siya, besh. I tried my very, very best na everyday upload, but there were some nights that hindi kinaya because of course I have to prioritize my health. But sobrang happy ko that I was able to do this, and I hope you guys appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for the love you guys have been showing for Vlogmas 2018, and I will see you in a week. Bye guys!